Hey everyone, today I will show you how to log into your Adobe Express app so you can access all its powerful features and tools. Let's get started. First thing first, open the Adobe Express app on your device. Once the app is open, you will see a welcome screen. Look for login option and tap on it to proceed. Now, you will need your Adobe ID. This is the email address and password associated with your Adobe account. We will just provide the details. Click on Continue. Click on Continue once more. Congratulations, you are now logged into your Adobe Express account. You will have access to all editing tools, filters and effects. Enhance your photos. Have fun editing. Logging into your Adobe Express app is quick and easy, giving you instant access to a world of creative possibilities. Thanks for watching and be sure to check out my other tutorials for more tips and tricks. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.